Welcome to Pocket Women Lockpicking and Locksport. Today I've got for you this one. This is a, what is it? As the semi goes past, F.H.P. Yes, I'm parked on the side of the road. I'm waiting for someone to arrive at a business. So I thought I'd grab this out of the car. It was attached to one of those wire bike chain wire things. So, and I cut that with the bolt cutters, dead easy. We all know you can get through them easy. So that's how wide the keyway is. You can park a truck in it. Now I haven't picked this because I just cut it off the thing, eh? Look at the spring tension on that. That's huge. So, going to go in with the Boomslang. This is the pick that Locksport invented, and Sparrows picked it up and then stuck a picture on it and called it the Medusa. Haven't been able to pick anything with this yet, but it is in my little take-out kit, which is all I've got on me at the moment. This is the Sparrows starter kit. I got this from Locksmiths Tool as a bonus, spending over, I think it was 33 bucks, so that was really nice. They often give out little bonuses for spending over certain amounts, and that's how I've ended up with commercial picks, apart from the lot that Jake 1973 sent me. However, I find that they're really tiny in the hand and I have difficulty holding them because they're so thin and narrow that I don't actually use them. So they went in my take-out kit as something I don't use, so I don't miss it at home. And if I have to use them one day, then you know it'll be a one-off. So today's the day. So in the kit I just added the Boomslang. Now I haven't modified any of these picks. I haven't cleaned them up or anything. They are just as. So trying to rake this upside down. Try not to scratch my bonnet. So, apologies for the language in my last couple of videos. My body is in a world of hurt at the moment, and I find that when that happens, I revert back to the most primitive form of language, which is the simplest form of language for expression, that you only need one or two words to actually express what you mean, and sometimes that language can be a little R-rated. Try and keep my channel PG, because I know a lot of kids watch it. How do I know? Because I've got family, and I know they watch it with their kids. Oh, this spring is really strong. That spring is too strong for raking. So single pin picking. At least it loosened these pins up. I was told this lock has been in someone's shed for 20 years. Push on this tension wrench to make this happen. Wind these pins without snapping the pick. Well, We'll soon find out. Everything feels set. Something must be overset. Alright, let's try something from the kit. Okay, let's go with a little diamond thing. Oh, this pick's really hard to hold. It cuts into your hand and it's really thin. Oh, and instantly puts your hand in a cramp. Oh, this thing's putting up a fight, people. Come on, this is supposed to be a quick pick by the side of the road. You might ask yourselves, why am I putting out so many videos in a row? Well, when you're multi-medical like me, you've got to put out videos when you get a chance. When the opportunity knocks, and you can. Because it's not easy filming and picking while lying down in bed. So if I'm up and about, I'll try and turn it into an opportunity for a pick. There's lots of Locksporters out there that have disabilities, like myself. You all know my assistant's dog Betty. And Locksport is a fabulous thing for people with disabilities to get into. Why? Because you don't need a whole lot to start, and you can, you know, muck around and make some tools work for yourself, modify, adapt handles, get a vice. And as I say, you can do it laying down. And the people who are into Locksport are very supportive and encouraging. There's a lot of people into Locksport who have got disabilities. You won't know about them because, you know, you only show your hands on the telly. You don't have to show that you're feeling like shit and looking like shit in the day. You just present your hands and then that's that. You look good. So, here we go. I think I've got it. I think I've got it. Yes. Oh, it's a little snap, but you know, snap's a snap and open's an open. Well, there you have it. F.H.P. Chinese lock or steel construction. Over 20 years old. Never been picked. Is now being picked. And a little chat on Locksport and disabilities. So if you've got a disability, think about taking up Locksport. So I'd like to thank the Locksmiths Toolbox for putting in little bonuses like this when they do their deals. It's greatly appreciated. And here comes another truck. Right, we'll finish on that. Thanks for watching, everyone. Stay legal. Temptation is everywhere.